Beneath the fiery heart of Hawaii, where lava flows and legends live, there is a story not just of fire and destruction, but of love, healing, and divine strength. This is the saga of Iaka, the youngest sister of Pele, and a heroine whose journey across the Hawaiian Islands rivals any myth in the world. While Pele is widely known as the tempestuous goddess of volcanoes, iaka is her counterbalance, a gentler yet powerful force, revered as the patron goddess of Hula, healing, and renewal. Together, their story unfolds as one of passion, jealousy, and sisterhood, a sweeping epic written in flame, chant, and sacred earth. Iaka's legend begins even before her birth, when Pele sailed from Tahiti in search of a new home. With her, she carried the unborn Iaka in the form of an egg nestled safely in her bosom. As Pele leapt from island to island, creating volcanoes in her wake, she finally settled in Kilauea on Hawaii Island, where the egg hatched and Iaka was born. Unlike her fiery sister, Iaka was a healer, a seer, and a brave warrior. Her closest companion was Hopo, a woman some say taught her the sacred Hula and the art of lei-making. The bond between them was deep, so deep that ancient chants speak of their love, expressed in Hula on the shores of Puna. But the heart of Iaka's story begins when Pele falls for a handsome chief named Lohiau during a dream journey to Kauai. After spending several nights with him, Pele returns to her body on Hawaii and sends Iaka to fetch Lohiau, promising him as a reward. But Iaka, wise to her sister's fiery temper, demands a vow that Pele not harm her dear friend Hopo or the sacred Lehua forests she holds dear. Pele agrees, but sets strict conditions in return. Iaka must return within 40 days, and she must not fall for Lohiau. Iaka sets out across the islands, accompanied by her mortal friend Wahine Omao and the fern goddess Pauopalai. Together, they face supernatural creatures, mo'o, shapeshifters, and spirits that test Iaka's resolve and divine power. With chants and courage, she heals the wounded, revives the dead, and carves a path of light through darkness. When they reach Kauai, they find Lohiau has died. Some say of heartbreak, others say his spirit was stolen. But Iaka does not give up. Through sacred prayer and days of incantation, she restores his soul to his body. Lohiau lives again. Their journey back to Hawaii is filled with tension. Lohiau, ever charming, flirts with Wahine Omao and tries to win Iaka's heart. But she remains loyal to her vow. Still, the 40 days pass, and when they return, they find devastation. Pele, jealous and enraged, has destroyed Iaka's beloved Lehua groves and killed Hopo. Grief-stricken and furious, Iaka no longer holds back. In full view of Pele, she takes Lohiau as her lover. In a final act of vengeance, Pele kills Lohiau, encasing his body in lava. But Iaka is not finished. She descends into the earth, digging through rock and spirit realms to find his soul, reviving not only him but her companions Wahine Omao and Pauopalai, whom Pele had killed in rage. Iaka's quest nearly brings water into the volcano, something that could destroy Pele herself, but Wahine Omao stops her just in time. Lohiau's spirit flees back to Kauai to his dear friend Paua, who sets out to confront Pele and retrieve Lohiau's body. Eventually, the god Cain intervenes, bringing Lohiau back to life once more. This time, he chooses to stay with Iaka, where their love endures until death. Some say Paua later became Pele's lover, others say he died of heartbreak. But one thing is certain. Iaka's journey across the islands remains one of the most powerful sagas in Hawaiian lore. A story of women, of courage, of love in many forms, and of the fierce balance between creation and destruction, healing and loss. If you found this story as breathtaking as the Hawaiian landscape it comes from, give this video a like, subscribe to Beachside 365, and don't forget to ring that bell so you never miss a tale from the islands. Aloha.